If you're gonna watch one video today, I hope it's this one. I'm not saying that because I think I have all the answers. I'm saying it because everything I'm about to tell you, it comes from living it. I'm just a regular guy who's experienced some extremely high highs and some incredibly low lows. I've made millions of dollars. I lived a lifestyle that most people only see on social media. I built businesses. I traveled the world, and honestly, I thought I had it all figured out. Then I lost it. I went to prison. I lost my reputation, my freedom, and I had to rebuild my life from the ground up. I'm not Tony Robbins. I'm not Gary Vee. I'm not some motivational speaker who's never been through real adversity. I'm just someone who's made a lot of mistakes, paid a heavy price for them, and came out on the other side with a completely different perspective on what actually matters. That's why I think this message is worth you hearing. I don't care if you're a CEO, an entrepreneur, business owner, or just someone working a 9-to-5 job providing for your family. I get it. Every single one of us needs reminders. Every one of us can learn from someone else's experiences, especially mine. I'm not asking you to agree with everything I said. In fact, you may not, I understand. I'm not even asking you to live like your life was like mine, because it probably wasn't. I'm simply asking you to learn from my mistakes so you don't have to pay the same price I did. Life is way too short. Don't wait until something tragic happens to you, as it did to me, before you realize what actually matters. The biggest blessings in your life, they're not cars, it's not money, it's not the nice watches or the titles. It's your time. It's your health, and more importantly, your family. Protect those at all costs, and don't ever let someone convince you that you can't accomplish something. Dream big, take tons of risk, and always bet on yourself. But please, don't just dream, have a plan. Break your goals into steps. Hold yourself accountable every single day. Dreams without plans of actions are just dreams. Don't wait till Monday, don't wait till tomorrow, don't wait till next month. It'll never happen. The best time is right now. If you've been putting off getting healthy, start today. If you've been saying, I'll wait to write a book, start today. If you've been waiting to launch a business, why not start today? If you've been telling yourself you'll spend more time with your family, now's the time. Because tomorrow turns into next week, we all know this. Next week turns into next year, and before you know it, years have passed. Excuses become habits too. Actions change lives. One thing I've learned is this: you have to be willing to put yourself out there. Believe me, it's not been easy. Take calculated risks. Be uncomfortable. Roughly 75% of the world's wealth is created by entrepreneurs. 15% of those come from investors, 7% from athletes, and 3% from artists. None of them are created by people who spend their lives building someone else's dream. Let that sink in for a second. I'm not saying everyone should go quit their job tomorrow. I'm just saying, don't stop believing in yourself. Don't stop investing in yourself. Definitely don't stop building something that belongs to you. At the end of the day, your mindset will determine your future far more than your circumstances ever will. I've learned that the hard way. If my story can save even one person from making the same mistakes I did, or inspire one person to finally chase the life they've been putting off, then every difficult chapter I lived through has been worth sharing. Thanks for listening. Like, subscribe, join my YouTube channel if you're watching this. Thank you.